Okay, good morning viewers, it's day 2 here and we're just heading down the mountain. It's been a nice night at the pub, just had breakfast at the Antique Cafe and now we're heading down the mountain. So it's nice and cool up here, but we're expecting it to be pretty warm today. And then storms tomorrow probably. So we're going to meet up with Al in Bathurst and then we're going to head up the Bridle Track. And then we're stopping at Hill End tonight. It's nice and cool at the moment. Say good day, viewers.
Oh, hi, viewers.
All right. So that's where we're heading. It's going to be warmer down the bottom. We're heading down the mountain. Reporting now, viewers. So we're heading west towards Bathurst. It's been baking hot here during the week. Where everything's brown, and that is Lake Lyle. It's like here's the dam where you can take all the damn pictures you want.
Oh, dad joke.
And this little road goes along the wall here, I think.
Hello?
Yeah.
How to pass anyone, really? On his own there. Oh, it's another bridge.
Yeah.
This is number 3. It's a bit rickety too. Oh, got a detour. Same as the other one.
Yeah, another bridge is gone. Yeah, they're replacing the bridges, so were little rickety old wooden bridges. Yeah. And they've obviously fallen apart. Look, there's a pile of wood there.
Yeah.
That was the old bridge.
Why do they say detour though? Because it's not really a detour.
Well, we're not going over the bridge. Okay, welcome back viewers. We've picked up Al. He's behind us on his BMW Ural combination. And we're on the Bridle Track. So we're just heading down into the valley here. I think we pick up dirt eventually. But it's pretty warm, isn't it, Sidecar Monkey?
Yeah, it's great. Does this go straight to Hill End?
Yeah. So we'll come out at Hill End eventually.
Yeah, it's beautiful views.
Got probably about 60 k's or something of this, 50 or 60 k's to go.
Yeah.
So we'll get to Hill End in time for a refreshing afternoon ale.
Yep.
Okay. All later.
Bye.
Okay, viewers, so we're on the Bridle Track now, and you can see it's dusty. Dusty. Lucky it's windy because the wind blows the dust away. It doesn't hang around.
Yeah.
It's worse when it's dead still because then you just get a big cloud of dust all the time.
Yep.
Another 4-wheel drive coming. Just wait here till he comes around the corner, I think.
Yep. Good idea. He might be waiting for you.
Yeah. Oh, he is. Well, that's nice of them.
That's very nice.
Yeah, they don't normally do that. They come try and run you off the road. Right, here's the warning sign before
Maybe we-
proceeding. Down there, it's a rocky river. Right, g'day viewers, we're on the bridle track now, we're just following the river. Very dusty, very hot and dusty.
Treacherous.
Treacherous, yep. No guardrails here. Remember, how steep does it get?
It's steep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
A couple of them you haven't got much of a run up there. You've got to keep it on the border.
Whoa! It is steep.
Very steep.
I don't remember it being like this. Oh, we've got to go around again up here. Steep and a bit sandy.
Sandy. Yeah.
Lucky I put that new back tyre on.
Yep.
Oh, there we go, viewers. We've made it. Oh, there's another one.
It has got guardrails though.
Yeah, that's sandy and steep.
Al,
No, it's all dust.
he's probably waiting.
No, he's there. He's there. He's just in all the dust. No, I don't remember this part at all. I bet it's been a long time. It's kind of, whoa, sandy.
Yeah.
Another one.
Stay away from that edge.
Yeah, sometimes the Ural has its mind of its own though, which direction we're going,
Yeah, right.
especially when you're accelerating uphill. There we go, look at that view.
Wow.
We've just come straight up. It's a bit of a steep drop off there. I'll
Right.
keep over to the right for you. It's a nice
Oh.
view though.
Oh, that's a long way.
Well, this is sort of like the area where that rock would have fallen, you know, back there. And you had to go around it, and the drop was like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Video of Al coming down there. Oh, up the hill. Okay, that's the track, viewers. Watch the GS go up the hill. Back wheel, traction. There we go. All right,
Our turn.
let's go. Oh, we're going round. Come back. We'll go and check in and then we'll come back. Yeah. Okay, viewers. Well, here we are at Hill End Lodge.
Just getting loose. Can hear
We
it.
made it down the bridle track. So tighten that one up. And one of these down here, which was no rattles now. Smile. Rabbit. Kangaroos. Still, I thought I might run out of space by now, but look at this little place. Here's to making the bridle track. How's that for a steak? Right. Yeah. Oh. Oh. One of the saloons in Deadwood. Which was all the miners on the hills here mining. Okay, well, thanks for watching, viewers. It was a great trip up the Bridle Track. It has been closed for a long time, and I think the last time was a long time ago that I went up the Bridle Track before it was shut by a rock fall. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and thanks Al for meeting up at Bathurst and coming for a ride with us up the Bridle Track. And I worked out it was about 10 years ago that I was last up the Bridle Track. So I'll leave you with some footage from that trip. Bye for now.